Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to be drawing a cute little love monster to celebrate Valentine's. I really hope you love my little monster here that I created for you. It was just really fun to come up with this for you, so I really hope you do love it and that inspires you to draw it for someone you love this Valentine's. But before we get started, there's a little monster joke I wanted to share with you, so here we go. How do monsters like their eggs cooked? But before I let you know the answer, get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your piece of paper, and let's get started. To draw this sweet monster, let's first start by drawing its horn. So I'm going to come right here and I'm going to draw a curve. Because our horn is, we're going to slant this way because our horn is kind of at an angle. So, and then I'm going to find the center of this curve right here, go up, say about this much, and give myself a point right in the center. From there, I'm going to round off this little part right here, the tip, and then just come right down to connect, to create my horn. Then from there, I'm just going to come in here with some curves to give our horn some dimension, and you can add some color to it. From there, let's go ahead and we're going to draw some hair right here on the top. And so I'm going to come about right here on the horn, and I'm going to go up and curl up, soften that tip and come right back in. And then one more big curve right towards the horn, right there. Then from there, we're going to start to draw the body. So I'm going to come right here and just imagine this coming across, so nice big head. So about right here, we're going to come to the other side, so just like a big curve, and we're going to start to come down. So as I come down, I'm just going to zigzag here and there just to make it extra fluffy and furry there. So it's my usual dumpling shape. It's a little bit narrower at the top, and then it's going to get wider as we come down. So just keep going down. Since it's a pretty simple shape, we're just going to finish the shape first and then draw the details inside. So about right there, I'm going to come and bring it in towards the bottom, curve, and towards the center, and connect. There. Okay, nice and fluffy, right? Then from there, let's come to this area, and I'm going to start to draw the eyes. So I'll come to about right here and draw these big monster eyes. Big Dresser Cute eyes, actually. And I'm going to come right across about right here and do the same thing. So now I have my circles in. I'm going to come in here with two smaller circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. Now that we're done with the eyes, let's come above each eye, and right here I'm just going to draw a soft curve above each eye, and then let's give this monster a cute little mouth. So right in between the eyes, I'm going to draw a curve right here, and I'm going to cap it off on both sides, and then I'm going to draw a deep curve, so it's kind of like a U right underneath, and let's give our monster some cute little teeth. So one here and one in the bottom. Right there. Hopefully you think that's pretty cute. And then let's give our monster some hands, right? So I'm going to come, let's say about right here. I'm going to go curve right underneath the eye. Bring it in. And same thing on the other side. So about right here. Right underneath the eye. And in. Then let's give our monster here some nails. And same thing here. So just 3 curves. And then let's draw a heart that she's holding. He or she is holding. So let's come right to the center, about right here. And I'll give myself another point right at the bottom, right in the center. And then using those 2 points is how I'm going to draw my heart. So I'm going to pass, imagine it coming through to about right here. So same thing on the other side. Come right over, and just like the other side, connect right back. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's draw some feet, right? So let's come about right here. And I'm going to make them pretty silly and simple. So it's just a big curve, comes down and in. So same thing over here. Just kind of making them look like they're kind of dangling because I'm going to give her wings, right? So maybe she's flying. So a little pair of shoes right here. And then I'll put in some stripes right here so we can give our monster some color at the bottom as well, if you like. And then let's draw the wings, of course, right? We have to have wings. So about right here, I'm going to draw these very simple little wings for a monster. 2, and then just bring it right back in. And then just come in here for another little detail inside. So let's drag this point across. So I make sure I'm about the same area, about right there. And let's go up, just like the other side. 1, 2, and 3. And once again, the inside. Now that we're pretty much done with everything, we have to give this monster, love monster, some antennas, right? So let's come about right here in the center. I'm going to pop out a curve and another one right here to make it extra cute. And of course, we're going to add a heart on top of each one. So they're all done. I really hope you love how my little love monster turned out, and I hope this inspires you to come up with your own love monster, and I can't wait to see your fan art of it. But before I go, I need to tell you the answer to our joke today, right? So how do monsters like their eggs cooked? Obviously, they like their eggs cooked fried. Oh, I know, right? It's so good. Anyways, I really hope you love that really bad joke and that you love my monster. Thanks so much for watching. And if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.